Welcome to Raj Classes. Today we will discuss about the size of pointer. Size of pointer. The pointer size is fixed for a particular system architecture. It varies from architecture to architecture. The size, just see, the size of all type of pointers are same for a particular system architecture. It varies from system to system. It means the size of all type of pointer are same for a particular system architecture. Just see, for 16-bit system, the size of all type of pointers is what? 2 byte. Clear? Same for 32-bit system, the size of all type of pointer is 4 bytes. Same for 64-bit system, the size of all type of pointers is what? 8 byte. Clear? So it is fixed or constant for all data type for a particular system architecture. If your system is 16-bit, then whether the pointer is integer pointer, whether your pointer is character pointer, whether your pointer is float pointer, whether your pointer is a double pointer, all type of pointer size is 2 bytes. Clear? Same for 32-bit system. If your system is 32-bit operating system, then the size of all type of pointer is 4 bytes. Clear? Same as for 64-bit, if your system is 64-bit, then the size of all type of pointer is 8 bytes. If your machine or system is a 64-byte operating system is there, 64-bit for 64-bit system, the size of all the pointers is what? 8 bytes. The pointer size depends upon the word size of a system. Clear? So, if your 16-bit system, the size is 2 bytes. If 32-bit, then 4 bytes. If 64-bit system, then its size is 8 bytes. But the size of data type, the size of different data type are different for a particular system architecture. Clear? The size of different data types are different for a particular system architecture. For example, if your system is 32-bit system and if another system is 64-bit system, then if data type is char, then for 32-bit its size is size of char, size of char is 1 for 32-bit system, and for 64-bit system it is also 1. For integer, for 32-bit system it is 4. For 64-bit it is also 4. If float data type is there, then it is 4. It is also 4. If double data type is there, it is 8. It is 8. So for a particular system, the size of different data types, if you consider for a particular 32-bit system, the size of char is 1, size of int is 4, size of float is 4, size of double is 8. If you consider particular system like 64-bit system, the size of char is 1, integer is 4, float is 4 and double is 8. But for a particular system, the size of all type of pointers is same. That means the size of character pointer, size of character pointer is for 32-bit system. 32-bit system. Clear? Size of character star is your what? 4. Integer star is same 4. Your float star 4. Your double star also 4. So it is constant for all data types for a particular system, but varies from system architecture to system architecture. If 64-bit, 64-bit, what will the pointer size? For 64-bit, it is 8 for character pointer. For integer pointer, it is also 8. For float pointer, it is also 8. For double pointer, it is also 8. So it varies from system architecture to architecture, but it is fixed for a particular system. For different data types, it is constant for a particular system. Clear? This is Sizeof. And the Sizeof operator is there, one Sizeof operator. Clear? Now, to find the size of a pointer, for example, I am taking just see, you may find out like this. Suppose I am taking integer star p, then printf size of pointer, size of character pointer, suppose character pointer equal to percentile d, then size of is one word. Just give importance, this is size of is one word, this is a keyword. Size of is a operator and it's a one word. Then inside parenthesis we give what? P. Size of, this is integer pointer I have taken. Now I can just modify this one. Suppose character star P1, then suppose integer star P2, like this. So I can write P1 here. Then printf, suppose size of integer pointer equal to percentile d, then size of is the operator, then pass P2. It will display the size of P2. P2 is the integer type pointer and P1 is the character pointer. So size of character pointer equal to P1, size of P1. Clear? In this way you can find the size of a float pointer, size of double pointer, it will display. Clear? But if your system is a 32-bit system, then it will display for all the pointers, for character pointer, integer pointer, whether float pointer or your double pointer, it will display what? 4. Clear? If your system is a 64-bit system, then it will display 8. So it varies from system to system, different system architecture. Clear? This way you can find the size of a pointer. Size of a pointer. Clear? Otherwise, you may write, instead of writing P1, you may write here character star. Character star. Instead of writing P1, you may write character star. Instead of writing P2, directly you can write integer star. Then there is no need to take these variables. You can directly find out the size of different type of pointers. Clear? So in this way you can find the size of pointer. This is very important. Next, the increment decrement operation using pointer. Increment or decrement operation using pointer. How to find out the increment decrement operation using pointer? Just see. The increment or decrement in pointer we forward or backward. Forward or backward in memory address. The increment or decrement in pointer means in pointer will be what? Forward or backward in memory address according to data type. Means what? The increment decrement in pointer means, suppose I am writing one example, use a C. You can understand. Suppose I am taking one variable integer x equal to 5. Clear? Then I am taking integer pointer also, integer star p, and I am assigning with the address of x to the pointer p. Clear? So as integer x will be allocated, some memory will be allocated for this, suppose 1000, and one pointer is there, that is star p with some address 2000 suppose. And as I have stored the x address and x value is 5, now stored x 5, and as x address stored in pointer, so it will be 1000. We have already discussed this type of example before. Now see, if I will write printf percentile d, then ampersand x, what it will print? Just see. For this example, as I have taken the address of x is 1000, so it will print ampersand x is 1000. If I will print percentile d, then p. P means what? What is stored in p? That is address of x 1000. So it will print obviously what? 1000. Clear? Now suppose I am writing p plus plus. That means I have used increment operator. Whether it may be what? Postfix or prefix. I have used this postfix increment operator with pointer. Okay? Increment and decrement operation using pointer. This means p equal to p plus 1. We know. Yes or no? If I am using increment decrement operation, then that will be the forward or backward in the memory address according to the data type. Clear? That means the data type of p is integer. It is pointing to a integer variable and it is keeping what? The address of integer type variable. So as it is integer type variable or integer type pointer, so if I will increment this pointer once p plus plus, then it will be forwarded if your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Because integer is a fixed 4 bytes for 32-bit, also for 64 bits. If 16-bit, it will be different. That is, for integer it is 2 bytes. Clear? So it will be forwarded according to the data type to which it is pointing. It is pointing to integer type. So according to data type, it will be forwarded 4 bytes. That means if I will print here printf percentile d, then p. What will be the value of p? It will print. Just tell. I have already told it will be forwarded or backward. Forward or backward in the memory address according to the data type. Here the integer type is 4 bytes, so it will be forwarded 4 bytes. So if before it was what? 1000. Now it will be 1004. Instead of 1000, it will be 1004. Now it will point to 1004 location. Now, suppose I am again writing p minus minus. Or another time I am writing p plus plus also. Another time I am doing p plus plus. Again I am printing Just tell printf percentile d, then p, what it will print? It will again forward by the data type is 4 byte. So it will be forwarded 4 bytes. So next address will be 1008. Clear? In this way it will be forwarded. If I will do the minus minus operation, decrement operator, minus minus, then if I am printing again printf, suppose percentile d, then p, what it will print? Before it was 1008. I have already incremented 2 times. So 1004 again 1008. Now p minus minus, it will be decremented. Decremented by 4 bytes because it is integer type. So it will be 1004. Clear? If I will take, instead of an integer, if I will take, suppose, if I will take here character pointer, character, suppose ch, and this is equal to a, okay, and I am taking one character pointer, character star, suppose p1 equal to ampersand ch. Clear? And I am printing printf, then percentile d, then p1. What it will print? Suppose here character variable is, suppose the address is 2000, not 2000, I am taking suppose 3000. I have only taken 1000, 2000, so 3000, and this character pointer star p1, this is suppose 4000. I have stored the address of ch in p1, so it will be 3000, and I have stored a, so a is stored here, single character. Clear? This way memory will be allocated. This is 3000. Clear? So if I print p1, so it will print what is stored in p1, that is address of this ch variable, that is 3000 we have taken, so it will print 3000. Clear? If I will printf, suppose percentile d ampersand ch, what it will print? Same 3000. Clear? Address of ch. Next, if I will print, before this, suppose I am incrementing p1 plus plus, incrementing the address, this pointer. I am using the increment operation using pointer. Then I am printing printf percentile d, then p1. What it will print now? Just see, p1 is the character pointer. I have told it will be forwarded or backward according to the what? Data type. So its data type is, size is what? Size of character is 1. So it will be forwarded or backward by 1. Clear? So it will print what? 3001. Clear? Next, suppose again I am doing p1 plus plus. What it will print? Printf, suppose percentile d, then p1. What it will print? 3002. 1 byte it will be forwarded. Again p1 minus minus, suppose I am printing here printf percentile d, then p1. What it will print? 3001. Clear? In this way, the increment decrement operation can be done using pointer. Clear? Now see, you can understand from here, p plus plus means p equal to p plus 1. Clear? Suppose that means what is happening here? Just see what is happening. If I am adding some value to a pointer, then what will happen? The size of that data type will be multiplied with this value. Clear? Then it will be added to the pointer. Then your pointer or address will be shifted to that address. Here you can see p plus plus means p equal to p plus 1. Here pointer is 4 bytes. So what will happen? Here happening what? If I will print here printf percentile d then p. Now it is printing what? 1004. We have already discussed. How you are find out this 1004? Because just see p plus plus means p equal to p plus 1. When I am adding one value to a pointer, then that value will be multiplied p plus multiplied with what? The size of the data type. The data type here is integer. So size of integer. And this result will be added to the pointer. Then the pointer will point to that address. For this, previously pointer was 1000 plus this is 1 into size of integer is 4. Clear? So it will be 1004. So it displayed 1004. Got it? This is very easy. I will find out the address. What the pointer will point to next. If increment decrement operation or any value is added to the pointer. Clear? Suppose here instead of here, suppose I am again writing pointer is now pointing to what? 1004. Clear? We have done one increment operation. Suppose here I am writing p equal to p plus 3. P plus 3. Then find out what will be the value of p now. Just find out. Using this formula, I will write what? P equal to p plus 3 into, I am adding 3, one value to the pointer. So it will be 3 into size of int. Understood? Then it will be what? This one is, previously it is 1004. Then plus 3 into 4. This will be what? 3 into 4 is 12. 1004 plus 12, that is 1016. Clear? So it will be what? 1016. Result will be 1016. In this way you can find out what the pointer will point to the next. If I am adding some value to a pointer or I am incrementing or a decrement operation doing, I am doing some increment or decrement operation with the pointer. Clear? This is very easy. Now we'll see what the arithmetic operation using pointer. Arithmetic operations using pointer. How we'll do the arithmetic operations using pointer? You know different arithmetic operations like plus, minus, into, division, like this. Clear? So I will use these operations with the pointer. Clear? Take some example. Suppose I am writing integer x equal to suppose your 50 and integer y equal to 10. Clear? And I am taking two pointers, integer star p and star q. Two pointers I am taking because I have taken what? Two variables x and y. To store the address of both variable, I am taking two pointers. And I am storing the value address of x to p and address of y to q. Clear? So one pointer is this is variable x I have taken and this is y. Clear? This value is 50, this value is 10 I have taken, and this is pointer. This is your star p and star q I have taken. And star p contains the address of, suppose this is 1000 and 2000. So it will be 1000 and this is 2000. And suppose its address is 3000 and its address is 4000. Clear? Now figure is okay. Now come to this. How we do this arithmetic operation using pointer. That means we will add these two numbers or two integer variables through these pointers. So you can write printf addition result equal to percentile d, addition result equal to percentile d, comma, this is star p plus star q. Because I want to add these values of p, x and y. How I will access the value of x? I have already discussed in previous video. To find out the value of x, we have star means value at p. Value at p, that is this 50. P contains what? The address 1000. Then value at 1000. Same as value at 2000. So using star p and star q, we can do the arithmetic operations on x and y. Clear? So same printf subtraction result equal to percentile d, then star p minus star q. Clear? Same printf multiplication result equal to percentile d, then star p into star q. Clear? Same as printf division result equal to percentile d, then star p by star q. So what will be the result? Star p means what? 50 plus this is 10. This will be your 60. Clear? And this will be your 50 minus 10. It will be 40. This is 50 into 10. This will be 500. Clear? Then this is 50 by 10. This is 5. In this way, you can apply different arithmetic operation on pointer. Clear? So you can modify the value of this, or you can apply the arithmetic operations on these variables indirectly by using pointer. Clear? So we have discussed what we have discussed today. We have discussed what? Size of pointer, then increment decrement operation on pointer, and the arithmetic operations, different arithmetic operations using pointer. Today we stop here, and in next video we will discuss some more about the pointer. Thank you.